The clamp is used to secure your blower's hard plastic blower tubes to the flexible tube. The clamp can be broken over time from hitting against other objects. It can be damaged if it is over-tightened. Replacing the clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the clamp and removing the pivot tube from the bellows. Next, I'll remove the clamp. Now I can install the new clamp. I'll place it over the bellows and remove the slack. Now reinstall the pivot tube. And I'll secure the pivot tube with the clamp. And that's all it takes to replace the clamp on your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.